Hi there. Here's a quick Viskon 16 tip for you. If you want to make a soffit boarding, you might have to make a boarding cut on the end of your rafters. How can you make it? Well, we have a Soffit Boarding Cut tool exactly for this purpose. If you click on its icon, you can change one of your rafters. Click again, and now in the open window you can set the depth of your cut, the length of it, or the side where you want to make this cut. Click OK, and there you have it. You have a perfect notch for the soffit boarding. If you want to make it a lot faster for multiple elements, you can click on the multi-select tool, click on one of your rafters and drag a line through all the rafters you want to select at once. Click again, and you can do the same modifications as well. Click OK, and now you have the same cuts on every single rafter you have selected. And that's how you can use the Soffit Boarding Cut tool in Viskon 16.